Fourth problem, a tailor has 15 3/4 meter of fine silk. If making one kurta requires 2 and 1/4 meters of silk, exactly how many kurtas can we make? So let us write down in solution. So what is given? First I want to focus on one kurta. Okay, so one kurta requires 2 1/4 meters of silk. And we know we need to find out how many kurtas we can make with this 15 and 3/4. Okay, so for that let us take, actually no, we need to divide, because we know the one kurta requirement, so we need to divide this by, we need to divide 15 3/4 by 2 and 1/4. Number of kurtas made in 15 and 3/4 meters. So what we need to do, 15 and 3/4 divided by 2 and 1/4. Okay, first we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper. 4 15s are 60, 60 plus 3 is 63 upon 4 divided by 4 to the 8 plus 1 is 9 by 4. Now we need to remove this division sign. So to remove it, we need to write the reciprocal. So 4 by 9, you can see the division gone, multiplication came. So 9 ones are 9, 7s are 63, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So how many? So how many he can make? 7. So therefore he can make exactly 7 kurtas from 15 3/4 meters of fine silk.